Want to run more boost through your EcoBoost Mustang? This is the Omni 4-bar map sensor. What's up guys, Rick with RallySport Direct here, bringing you another episode of What's in the Box. Today we've got the Omni 4-bar map sensor specific for the Mustang EcoBoost. Now, I've got this little guy right here. So this is a direct installation. This will replace your factory map sensor. Now, do note that this will 100% require a tune, but if you're installing a larger turbo or you're doing something kind of crazy with your car, you're about ready to get a tune anyway, you can use this map sensor and have the tuner tune for it, and now your boost threshold will be so much higher. Plus, this is a very quick reacting map sensor with really good resolution, and your tuner will be happy that you have something like this installed in the car, because they're going to be able to really increase boost pressure without running into basically overrunning the factory map sensor. And that's what this is all about. It plugs directly into your factory harness. You simply unbolt your factory map sensor, remove it, put this one in, bolt it back in, and you are good to go. Just make sure your tuner knows that you have the Omni 4-bar map sensor on there. Now, being 4-bar, 1 bar is 14.7 psi. Now, you have to take away atmospheric pressure, so this is essentially, you can run 3 bars of boost, which is incredible. So you should never, ever run into a situation where you max this thing out. So you can, kind of rest easy at night knowing that once you get this installed, at least this particular portion of the build will never have to be replaced again forever. So these are really cool, very high quality, very OEM-like in fit and finish, and just quality all around, and just essential if you're going with a bigger turbo or running significantly more boost than factory. It's a great product. Check it out. It's all the time we've got for you today. Thanks for checking out What's in the Box. We'll see you guys next time.